everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, our latest project on speaking word meanings with Python. But before we dive into the details, let me extend a warm welcome to all viewers joining us today. Now, let's get started with our project Speak Word Meaning with Python. This project is designed to simplify the process of finding and pronouncing word meanings using Python. Our goal is to provide a convenient tool for language learners and enthusiasts to enhance their vocabulary and pronunciation skills. Now, let's explore the key points of our project. We highlighted the purpose of our application to facilitate the discovery and pronunciation of word meanings. We also emphasized the importance of learning word meanings and pronunciation for effective communication. Let's move on to the next slide. Now, let's delve into the code behind a project. This Python script utilizes a PyTTSX3 library for text-to-speech conversion and PyDictionary library for fetching word meanings. Let me walk you through the main components of the code. In this slide, we discuss the significance of PyTTSX3 and PyDictionary libraries. PyTTSX3 library enables our application to convert text to speech, allowing users to hear the pronunciation of word meanings, whereas PyDictionary library seamlessly retrieves word meanings from online dictionaries, enriching the functionality of a project. Now let's see a project in action. In this demonstration, we input words of our choice and witness the application retrieving and pronouncing the meanings. Through this demo, you'll get a first-hand look at the practicality and effectiveness of our project. Speak Word Meaning with Python offers a valuable resources for language learners and enthusiasts. By leveraging Python programming and essential libraries, we have created a tool that simplifies the process of discovering and pronouncing word meanings. This project underscores the importance of continuous learning and improvement in language skills. Now, let's move on to discussing the Python code in detail. Now, let's dive into the Python code that powers our Speak Word Meaning with Python project. First, we initialize the PyTTX3. Here, before importing any of the necessary libraries, first we have to install on your laptop, that is pip install pyttsx3, and to install the PyDictionary, pip install PyDictionary. As I have already installed in my laptop, I am just importing these two libraries. Let's run this code. Next, we initialize the pyttsx3 engine using this init function, init command. Here you can see SAPI5. SAPI5 is nothing but it is a drive. It is a driver of a Microsoft Windows operating system, and this line of code initializes the text-to-speech engine with the SAPI5 driver, which is compatible with Windows operating system. So I'm initializing this engine and I'm storing in the variable name engine. Next, I'm defining a variable voices. In this voices, what I'm doing means I'm retrieving the voices that are available using this line of code, that is get property. I'm retrieving available voices that are available in this PyTTSX3 engine. Next, I'm setting the voice of engine to the first voice in the list. Here you can see Zeroth index is nothing but it is the first in the list. So uh, I'm setting the voice of engine to the first voice in the list using this line of code. So let's run this code. Moving on, initializing the PyDictionary function. Here you can see I'm creating a variable dictionary. This is nothing but it is an instance of PyDictionary class. This allows us to easily fetch the word meaning from online dictionaries. So I'm defining a variable dictionary. It is nothing but an instance of this PyDictionary class. Now let's discuss the speak function. This function takes a string audio, and this function takes a string audio as input and uses this PyTTSX3 engine to pronounce it. First, it uses engine.say audio to set the text to be spoken, and then engine.run and wait to actually speak the text. This function enables our application to pronounce word meanings audibly, enhancing the learning experience. Let's run this code. Now, let's explore the main logic of this application. Here we start by prompting the user to enter a word. Which word you want to find the meaning, sir? Means this will speak which word you want to find the meaning. Next, what I'm defining, I'm defining a query variable. In this variable, I'm storing the word that the user will enter. Means this input will collect the user's input and store in this variable query. Next, we use the function dictionary.meaningQuery function to fetch the meanings of the word entered by the user. And I'm storing that into the meanings variable. What this dictionary.meaningQuery will do? This function is used to fetch the meaning of the word entered by the user. Next, let's run this. Just hear this.
Which word do you want to find the meaning, sir?
So let's enter some word. So if the word has a meaning, then it will iterate the dictionary of meanings using the for loop. For each part of speech and its corresponding list of meaning, we speak the part of speech. Okay. After that, we are printing each meaning, and also we are this code will print the meaning as well as it will speak the meaning. If the word have meaning in the dictionary, then this for loop, nested for loop will run. Means in this for loop, first what it is doing means for every part of speech and its corresponding list of meanings, it is speaking the part of speech, and then it is printing the meaning, and then it is speaking the meaning. Okay. Next, in case where the word doesn't have any meaning, or if it's not found in the dictionary, then our application gracefully handles this scenario by stating that sorry, I could not find the meaning of that word. This ensures the user receives feedback even when the word meaning cannot be retrieved. So let's run this code. Just listen this.
The meaning of awesome is an adjective is inspiring awe and admiration or wonder.
We'll check with some other word.
Which word do you want to find the meaning, sir? The meaning of algorithm is an algorithm. A precise rule or set of rules.
Can you hear this?
rules.
So like this, you can speak the meaning of the word using the Python. And there you have it. That's a detailed explanation of the Python code behind the speak word with a meaning Python project. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and stay tuned and happy coding, happy learning. Thank you.